5, 8, 6, 1,
coming down, so
4, 7, 9, 10, 3, 2. All right. Racing the 14 right here. Watch first, drop, Eric Almano. Mark Carson, Marlon, Possession, Evans, David Rosa, Billy Fisher, and Travis Messi. Watch Ventura, 2805, Ryan Calvary, 2849, Evans, 2857. Rosa, 2841, Archer, 2862, Fisher, 2892, Rowan, 2922. Cross, 2836, Alabama, 3164. Right here, we're going to 14 on the back, on the tour, fast lap, 7-9, Cavalier, 7-9, Arch, 28-0, Messi, 28-3, Crop, 28-3, Renata, 24, Warnock, 23, Fisher, 28-9, Evans, 28-5, Alabama, 29-4. Fast lap, turn, Rock, on the tour. Diego, 28-1, followed by 10-5, Ryan Cavalier, Carter, 14, Hudson. For your top 3 on the clock, buddy. Travis Messi on 4, Carson Davis on 5, Carson Cross 6, Carson Fisher 7, Carson Hamilton on 8, Carson Evans 9, Carson Real on 10. Here coming on the back straightaway. Going up the tail, line of the yellow wheel, coming over that right side triple. He's going to be followed by car number 4, Stephen Martin on the block. Eric Martin coming to the switchback right now on the left side. White on the blue, yellow, red on the tail. Coming over that left side, came on. Martin to the lead. Picking up fast lap for him. 29 on the turn. 29 for Cavalier. 175. Oh, fast lap. Came on the side of the next race right now. So your top 5, 4, 1, 5, 8, 9. That's the Martin. That's the Cavalier. And that's the top 5. 3 down to go, driver. 3 down to go. The Monster jumps back on top of the block. Comes to the end. Step up double. Steve Martin's going on P2 right now. Step up double. 6 seconds as well. Ryan Cavalier, Carson 5, 3 spot. Step by hit. Working his pushback. Red on the top, yellow on the bottom. Yellow wheel coming out of the speaker right now. Anthony Travis and Messi on P2. So he's running about 6. So 1, 4, and 5, your top 3, that's not Taylor Hudson and Cavalier, 8, 9, 2, and Messi will run himself on crap, and be 4, 5, and 6 spot. Then it's going to be Fisher, Warlock, Evans. Stephen Hudson now coming on top of the leaderboard. He's working through the switchback right now. Comes down into the exit into the speaker. Hudson last time around, 27-63. That is his fast lap of this race. One Monster still going on P2. There's one on the right side. Coming out of the 180. Top 2 to step up super now. Fast lap 7-5. We got about 45 seconds left on that clock. Ryan Cavalier fast lap 7-9. 27-5, Monster, 27-6 for Hudson. And Messi is on the 4th spot with Sargent 8, 27-5, fast lap of this race. Anthony Rose at 6, Sargent 5, now the clock is alive. Rose 6, Fisher 7, Evans 8, Allen 9, and Warlock 10. 1 second left on that clock there. Martin was on the front side of the table, back and after, Alabama, Taylor, corner 3, open front side on the speaker. Nine fire on that car, and half fire on that block. Five done, five done. Eight done, eight done. One done, 1, 5, 8 done. 4 done. 3 done. 9 done. 7 done.